yeah. It goes.
I get racks.
That's all. This is epic, bro. Boys,
I put the city on my back.
yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo, and we are outside right now, brother. And we're currently in freaking Colombia, in Cartagena, with the boys. As you can see, it's so sick. Yo, you know the Willy? You Willy? You do? Is it here? Let's see. Sorta, but be alert. Hey, and if you're getting a weird vibe or anything, let me know, and then we can always. Hola. Sheesh. Yeah, friends. This is John and Cody. You here or? Oh right, it's like a lot. Oh, it's like a lot. Yes, sir. Boys outside. Let's go. Bro, this is so sick. Hola. Hello, how you doing? Or ¿Cómo está? Two-stroke? Two-stroke. Dos. Beep, 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 beep. Yeah. It goes. Hey, me llamo Lars. Oh, nice to meet you. Let's go. Look at homie, bro. Look at homie. Let's see. We got my boy Cody. Go really slow. Really slow. Bro's head came off like that, bro. Yeah, you really. Bro, I seen you slip. It's like. Oh. Alright, so this is the homie I met up with, and I'm about to pull him. And he's. Yeah. See. Faster? Yeah. Let's go. My boy, all the way out here in freaking Colombia. See, fuego. Yeah. Hola. Oh. Me llamo Lars. Poco español, poco. Oh, sorry, man. Hola, me llamo Lars. Nice to meet you. Huh?
¿Qué parte de Estados Unidos?
¿De dónde? Oh, Florida. 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 Muy bonito here. Very nice, yeah. Woo! With the boxer, brother. Let's go. Yeah. Wild, bro. We actually out here. Hola. You wheel?
Bro, he was up on the top.
You were on here?
Sitting on top.
What? We're in flipping Colombia. Yo! We're in Colombia with freaking life homies. Literally international. Let's go. Let's go. This is epic, bro. Oh. Oh my gosh, bro, we really outside with the boys. It's so sick, dude. Yo, what the hell? Yeah, I don't know how long we're gonna be with these homies because I've heard it's a little. There's a little like some, you know, things going on out here. Bro, we got two homies out here. Let's go! Yo, what the hell? Who would have thought we would be in Cartagena experiencing life, bro? Look at homie, bro. Straight chilling. Can I do it? Can I go to the Muy bueno. I knew this was getting bent, bro. I knew it, bro. That's crazy. Yes, sir. Yeah, let's go. Bro, the boys outside right now, dude. It's so sick. Let's go, bro. Yes, sir. That's what we're talking about. With the passenger. I gotta go, bro. We're going way deep right now, bro. I ain't got time for that. Bruh, this is flipping crazy. Like, for real. Crazy. I can't believe we're just out here, bro. Outside with it. Woohoo! I can tell you one thing though, it is hectic, bro. Sometimes I forget to even talk, bro, because I'm just so focused on everything around me. Yeah, it looks like someone got a little over here. Damn. There's a lot of people here. Holy crap. Dude, it's like a huge